Hello YouTube land subscribers. I am going to show you a video of our troops. We had vehicles honking for us. So hold on one moment. It'll be just a second.
Support our troops. See if we get some honkings. Huh? Ashley, guys, come on, cars are coming.
Sorry, the terrible videotaping.
Okay. They're taking the flags down. We're at the scenic cemetery where they have all the flags. We have Mariah pulling the flag.
But my hand looks.
Okay, move, Mariah. I can't see.
Can I trade you?
Marina, stop. Okay, Mariah, Marissa, look. Mariah, what do you have? Bring our troops home? Marina, show me your thing. What? Your thing. Okay, one poster shows all the ones who's passed on in this town. Another is from KingHuman. KingHuman Supports Our Troops. And seems like they're doing pretty good, getting a lot of honks.
I got better music.
Yeah, we've been getting a lot of honks, but I'll stay behind you so I can videotape it. You keep hitting the kids, okay? Don't let the flag touch the ground. Okay, hurry, go. Oh, hear another horn? Make sure you wave.
And that's what I got so far. Let me turn off my camera. And so hopefully we support our troops, and that's our day. And this is Memorial. This is to support our troops for Memorial Day, the ones who sacrificed their life for us. God be with you, and our prayers are with you, and also the ones who are in the war right now. All right? Thanks, and also too, thanks from KingHuman for supporting our troops as well. Thanks, everyone. God bless. Bye.